Hold up, wait. For my niggas who be thinking we soft, we don't play. We gon' rock until the wheels fall off. Hold up, wait. For my niggas who be acting too bold, take a seat. Hope you're ready for the next episode.